Midjourney version 4, how to upload an image or art and use it as a prompt. So go ahead and open Discord to access the Midjourney bot. And the first thing that we need to do is to send here the image that we want to be referenced as the prompt. So open the folder where it is located. Make sure that the image is downloaded on your device. So this is an image that I got from Pinterest. Drag it to Discord and send it. By the way, you can use any element. So you can use a person, artwork, any element, animals, whatever you want as a reference. Once it's uploaded, right click on it and among these additional options, select copy link. Now that we have its link, command Midjourney. So type in /imagine and then click on this. On the box of prompt, press Ctrl V or Command V. We just want to paste in the link of the reference photo. After that, type in what you want to happen with your image. So let's say I want the same dog to be playing in the rain. Enter that in and then wait for Midjourney to finish your image. Once it's done, and if you're not satisfied with the results, you can click on the refresh icon and it will generate new set of images for you. Now you can choose one and upscale what you prefer to save. Tap on U1, U2, U3, or U4 to upscale the image, and then from there you can download it. By the way, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap on web with the arrow icon to open it on the browser, and from here, just click on the save button and it will then be downloaded. Going back to the Midjourney Discord, here below is the version 1, V2, V3, and V4. So if you want another version of one image, click on their corresponding V number and it will then generate new images. So that is how to upload an image or art and use it as a prompt on Midjourney version 4. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.